How's it going, guys? My name's Rami and welcome back to an awesome episode of RQ's Garage. In today's video, we're gonna jump right into it. Right next to me is a 2009 Lexus ES350 and both side marker bulbs are completely burnt out. They've been burnt out for months. So today, we're gonna replace them. I'm gonna show you really quickly how to do it. It is so simple. It's not gonna take you any more than 5 minutes. Are you ready? Cause I am. Let's get after it. So right here, we have the vehicle all jacked up. You can see it's ready to rock and roll, and you don't have to do that. I just did it for video purposes. But if you look at the headlight housing itself, right here, we have the actual headlight. This is going to be the turn signal light, but the side marker bulb is just gonna help illuminate this yellow strip right here. It is not the actual turn signal light, but it is just another accessory light that this vehicle has. And on both sides, it's gonna be really easy to do. And you think to yourself, well, you just pop open the hood and it's gonna be right there. But funny enough, it's gonna be underneath the wheel well right here. To replace the side marker bulbs on this Lexus ES350, I picked up some of these little LED bulbs. It's a little bit of an upgrade compared to the OEMs that come. They're a halogen bulb and these are some LEDs. I will link this product in the description below, and I will also link the halogen version as well if you wanted to keep it OEM. But we figured might as well give it a little upgrade. It was just a couple dollars more, and I think it's gonna be a great addition to this job. So to get to that mini bulb, we're actually gonna remove this little cover right here. These are all 10mm, so we got our 10mm on our ratchet, and let's remove them. But after you remove this bolt, and this bolt, this thing should just really pop right out. We have enough clearance to put our hands up here to get to that bulb. Let me see if I can get you a better photo. Woo! All right, guys. That was a little doozy, but we finally got that side marker bulb out. It was a little tough. I don't know if this has ever been replaced, so just remember righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. There's the burnt bulb. Just pop it out. Not sure if you can see, but yeah, it's completely burnt. So let's put the new LED bulb in. Just like that. Easy. Now, just to check that it works, I'm gonna turn on all the lights, make sure that this bulb works correctly before we install it back in. Well, a little update. The lights did work, but I'm an idiot because I picked green. So, yeah, that wasn't the smartest move. I probably should have looked at the color, because this Lexus is gonna get some green side markers. But this is really how you fix it, so the process is still correct. Of course, I'm gonna have to buy white or amber LED bulbs and have to replace it again. But yeah, this is why you take your time, guys. But let's just keep going. Let's fix it. Try my best to give you a good visual of what we see inside here. So, let's fish our hands. This guy, that is the turn signal bulb. Right above it, try to be steady with one hand. That opening up there, that is the side marker bulb. So it's right above the turn signal bulb. So with our new bulb, we can fish our hands up there. See? And then we just twist till we hear a click. There we go. After that, we will take our pieces and just start fishing everything together and reinstalling the 3 screws. And of course, we do the same thing on the other side.
And then of course we got to put the cover back on.
Okay guys, so the good news is that we did it correctly. Both side marker bulbs are working. They look fantastic. LEDs are super bright, especially in the daylight like today. The bad news is that they're freaking green. So you already know I got more coming in. I just put an order in the middle of this session because I cannot keep this going on for too long. But we did it. This is sick, super simple, super easy. You guys cannot believe how much Lexus wanted to charge us for this job. And to show you guys how much Lexus wanted to charge us, they had a quote of $100 to replace $5 worth of bulbs and about 10 minutes of your time. It is insane. I understand they gotta make their money, but we saved ourselves $90 just doing this, taking a little bit of time on a Saturday. A couple tips: if you have the means to take off the wheels on both sides, it gives you a lot more clearance in the wheel wells. But if you turn the wheel all the way lock to lock, you should have enough clearance and you don't need to jack up the car, take off the wheels and do all that. But again, if you have the means, it helps a lot to get your hands up there to remove that bulb. Guys, thank you so much. I love you. I love my community. I really appreciate the love and support. If you have any comments, any questions, hit me in the comments below. I always love hearing what you guys have to say. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider smashing that subscribe button because we got so much more content coming your way. I'm Rami, this is RQ's Garage, and we'll see you on the next one.